Once a dream of science fiction, robots are now part of everyday reality. From writing computer code to laying tiles, and even preparing for war, machines are unstoppable. Teams of humans now takes moments. Foe is no longer just helping programmers, it's becoming the programmer. Tools like AI coders can write software, detect bugs, and even create entire applications in seconds. What once required are a machine. Robots are being trained to lay bricks, tiles, and even build houses. These machines work faster, don't need brakes, and never tire. For construction industries worldwide, it's a game changer, but for workers, it raises big questions. Factories around the world are already filled with robotic arms, welding machines, and automated assembly lines. The next step, factories that run entirely without humans, producing goods faster and cheaper than ever before. From automated tractors to drones that monitor crops, robots are transforming farms. Machines can plant seeds, water fields, and even harvest, reducing the need for human farmers. In cities, robots are taking over services. They clean floors, deliver food, assist in surgeries, and even care for the elderly. The line between human helper and machine assistant is quickly blurring. Perhaps the most alarming change, robots are entering warfare. Drones already dominate skies, while AI-powered machines are being tested for combat missions. The future of war may no longer involve human soldiers at all. With robots advancing in both physical and mental tasks, the competition with humans grows sharper. But the real question is, will machines replace us completely, or will they simply become our partners? With robots advancing in both physical and mental tasks, the competition with humans grows sharper. But the real question is, will machines replace us completely, or will they simply become our partners?